Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share you viewers mostly crafts ideas. So I hope viewers you're enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So viewers, my first idea is viewers, so viewers, music craft is the art of creating pictures and pattern using small pieces of tiles, glass, stones, beads or paper. Each tiny piece comes together to form a unique and eye-catching design. Music crafts are fun, relaxing and perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. This elegant mosaic flower pot adds bright color and artist beauty to your garden. Broken tiles and glass pieces create a beautiful texture that make every pot one of a kind. This mosaic top are truly amazing. The colorful pattern transform ordinary into a standing statement piece. Friends, mosaic wall art brings creative and personality to any room. And weavers, this decorative mosaic mirror reflect light and add a luxury touch to your home. Mosaic and order create a warm and magical glow in it. So friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers.